In this video, I'm walking through how I helped my client at a DR30 outrank a 72, 49, 96, 86, 96, 84, 69, 91, 86, 46, and the steps I took to get there. First was strategic keyword mapping, figuring out what keywords and phrases this page should actually rank for and working to build it into the content, which I'll get to in a second. This allowed us to cover the entire topic cluster to show search engines that we're an authority on this topic and it makes sense for us to rank for this keyword. Step 2 was optimizing the title tag. And to do this, we made sure to match the exact search intent for the primary keyword or phrase we wanted to rank for. Now, the key here is making sure that we're optimizing for intent of that key phrase and not optimizing for additional intent. As an example, if you have a keyword or phrase that you're working on that is transactional or commercial in nature, you want to avoid mapping or using intent-based phrases in your optimization that are more related to informational type searches. Making sure that that intent is matched makes it easier for you to rank for the primary keyword or phrase that you want to rank for that is likely going to be higher search volume and higher search intent and convert better for you. Step 3 is creating comprehensive content and internal linking within the content. And the key here is to create enough content that makes sense and making sure that it's useful content as well. The key by doing this is you achieve topical coverage, which makes it, again, easier for search engines to understand that you're an authority on the topic that you want to rank for, and makes it easier for you to rank for the keyword or phrase you want to rank for as well. And this process then is essentially the primary focus on just about every single collection or category style page I look at is figuring out what keywords it needs to rank for, optimizing the title and description correctly, and of course the content as well, and then building that content and optimizing the content with internal links, enough topical coverage, and proving to search that we're an authority on these topics. And that is how we're able to rank websites at the top for conversion-focused key phrases, even if they do not have as much authority or strength from a DR perspective. Hopefully you got some value from this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate that. And that's it. I'll see you on the next one.